If you are looking to gain weight and muscle, it is important to focus on consuming nutrient-dense foods that can help you achieve your goals. Here are 5 foods that can aid in weight gain and muscle building. Lean proteins. Chicken breast. It is a great source of lean protein and essential amino acids necessary for muscle growth and repair. Turkey. Similar to chicken, it is a lean source of protein that can help in muscle development without adding excessive fats. Fish, such as salmon, tuna, and mackerel, these are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and high-quality protein, which aids in lean cuts of beef. They contain high-quality protein and essential nutrients like iron and B vitamins that are important for overall health and muscle function. Healthy fats. Avocados. They are rich in monounsaturated fats, which can provide a dense source of calories and promote healthy weight gain. Nuts, like almonds, walnuts, and cashews, these are calorie-dense and contain healthy fats, protein, and fiber, making them a nutritious snack option. Olive oil. Incorporating olive oil into your diet can increase calorie intake and provide beneficial monounsaturated fats, which are heart-healthy. Complex carbohydrates. Whole grains, such as brown rice, quinoa, and oats. They provide a sustained release of energy, promoting muscle growth and aiding in workout performance. Sweet potatoes. They are rich in complex carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals, providing a healthy source of calories for weight gain. Whole grain bread and pasta. Opting for whole grain varieties can offer a steady source of energy and essential nutrients that support muscle recovery and growth. Dairy products. Whole milk. It contains a balanced ratio of proteins, fats, and carbohydrates, making it an excellent option for gaining weight and building muscle. Cheese. Rich in protein and fats, cheese can be included in meals or consumed as a snack to increase calorie intake. Yogurt. It is a good source of protein and beneficial bacteria that can aid in digestion and overall gut health, supporting the body's ability to absorb nutrient-dense fruits and vegetables. Bananas. They are a good source of carbohydrates and provide essential nutrients like potassium and vitamin C, supporting muscle function. And spinach, rich in vitamins and minerals, spinach can contribute to overall health and support muscle function during workouts. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. They are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber, which can aid in recovery and support the immune system during periods of intense training. Combining these foods with a well-structured workout routine, including strength training and adequate rest, can help you achieve your weight gain and muscle-building goals. If you have any specific dietary concerns or health conditions, it's advisable to consult a registered dietitian or healthcare professional for personalized guidance.